तो आज घर पे मैंने एक प्ले डेट ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया है। सिर्फ प्ले भी नहीं और कोई पढ़ाई का प्रेशर भी नहीं। इट्स अ नॉन फायर कुकिंग सेशन जहाँ पे बच्चे टच करेंगे, मिक्स करेंगे, कुछ नया क्रिएट करेंगे, टेस्ट करेंगे, थोड़ा सा गिराएंगे, शायद थोड़ी लड़ेंगे, बहुत कुछ मेरे हिसाब से सीखेंगे। बट सीखेंगे बिना ये जान के कि वो कुछ नया सीख रहे हैं। सो यू नो थोड़ी देर में टीचर आने ही वाली है और मैं उनसे इंट्रोड्यूस कराती हूँ। आई होप यू विल लाइक दिस सेशन ऑफ नॉन फायर कुकिंग एट होम एंड या अभी अगर आपका समर वेकेशन है एंड इफ यू आर इन मुंबई यू कैन डू दिस टू। समर वेकेशन में क्लासेस तो बहुत है बट आई वॉन्टेड समथिंग माई गर्ल्स विल एक्चुअली रिमेम्बर। तो आज मैंने एक नॉन फायर कुकिंग टीचर को घर पे बुलाया है और छोटे छोटे फ्रेंड्स को बुलाया है एंड टर्न माई डाइनिंग टेबल इनटू अ मास्टर शेफ स्टूडियो। यू डू ओनली फायरलेस कुकिंग?
Yes, so from 3 years to 8 years we do non-fire cooking, and after that I take the kids in the kitchen and then cook on an induction.
Oh my god.
So that's like making basic white sauce, basic red sauce, pesto, hummus, a lot of salads, a lot of desserts, a lot of fun, basically unique stuff.
Oh, how lovely.
Yeah.
Like just the other day and today only I've uploaded the video जहाँ पे I made gummies for them.
Oh wow.
और in the induction and she touched the induction. ना? गरम था?
Oh no.
Yeah, one and the other one she blew in the agar agar powder and it came and entered her eyes.
Oh no.
मतलब मिसहैप पे मिसहैप। तो जो जिसका काम उसी को साजे बोलता है ना, तो बोलते हैं। तो मैंने वो जो कुकिंग वाला काम इनके ऊपर छोड़ दिया। You can introduce yourself.
So basically, I'm Chef Payal. I had been the head chef with Tala Dalal for 13 years. There I was a recipe researcher and a food stylist. And after having my own child, I think the passion for kids grew, that I wanted to do something with kids, but I didn't want to leave my cooking career. So I started with this non-fire cooking activities, and I think I was the first one who started these non-fire cookery themed birthday parties and play dates. So this is good because it gets a lot of motor skills, development in the kids because they're crumbling, they're mixing.
That was supposed to be my question. इससे क्या फ़ायदा होता है? मतलब आजकल मम्मा भी फ़ायदा के बिना कुछ नहीं करते हैं।
Yeah, so basically there's a lot of motor skill development, as I said, new textures in the mouth. They introduced to a lot of different ingredients, a lot of different recipes, and a lot of flavors that they like. At the age of 4, you'll be surprised. My kids actually can know whether salt is less or should we add more herbs or should we add some more sauces. It's quite surprising, but they love it.
Little, this much or that excited? How much? करो। क्या खाया इसमें से? तुमने कुछ खाया? करो। Eating sugar?
Johnny, Johnny.
Yes, Papa.
Eating sugar.
No, Papa.
Follow me. Come here. You'll have to stand nicely, okay? Come on, next.
Little
Yeah.
chefs are getting ready.
That's matching to your dress. What a coincidence.
Look.
Yes, no?
Mama,
Yellow.
look my this.
Oh wow, that's also matching.
Just typing.
सेटअप सिंपल था बट इंटेंशन बड़ा था। किड्स को बस रेडीमेड फूड देना इजी है, लेकिन जब वो खुद बनाते हैं then suddenly they become very invested.
Okay, so everybody, hello. Who am I? Do you all think? Am I a firefighter? Am I a doctor? Am I a nurse?
You chef.
I'm a chef, but what's my name? Do I have
Chef Payal.
a Chef Payal?
Oh my
Yes,
God.
you actually remember. Okay, so hi, I'm Chef Payal. Can you all say hi loudly?
Hi.
little too much. How excited are you? I can't hear. I don't think you're excited. Now we're going to use this bowl. Everybody has this bowl. So put the spoon on. Yes, put the spoon on the side. We're going to put everything in this white bowl and we're going to make a uncooked salsa. What are we going to make? Yeah. So the first ingredient, you all have to guess and tell me what it is, okay? It's red in color. Yeah, but it's tomatoes. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to get one bowl, we're going to pass it this way. We're going to take one bowl and we're going to pass it this way. And we're going to put one spoon with this spoon. Your spoon we don't need right now. Put it down. You'll hold the bowl with one hand and put one spoon. Come on, start. Come on.
This is the only classroom where spilling is allowed, little cheating is allowed, licking is allowed, everything is allowed for emotional development. Confidence 100%. Whatever is your favorite, you put as much.
Yes. Okay. So the first ingredient was chopped tomatoes. Can we all loudly say chopped tomatoes? Yes. Now the second ingredient, you have to tell me something. It's colorful. And no. Yes, I will try not to drop. Okay, we try. Yes, there we go. That's it. Good job. Now, can everybody show me a small pinching finger? Sprinkling. We're going to sprinkle. What are we going to do? Sprinkle. We are going to sprinkle. Do action like this. Sprinkling. Yes. What do we sprinkle generally? Can you all tell me? Sprinkles? No, sprinklers. We sprinkle what right now? We're going to sprinkle salt. So now, because we want a little moistness, we're going to add this. How are we going to add or are we going to? What's the right term? Squeeze. What are we going to do? Because we're going to squeeze. See, I'm going to. That's it. Okay, come on. Pass it on. Once you've added the ketchup, start mixing. Everybody start mixing. Hold the bowl and start mixing. That's it. Pass it on. Mix. Very good. Everybody mix. Do it by yourself. Everything we do slowly by ourselves. Come on. You like ketchup? Huh? Start mixing. Come on. Hold the bowl with one hand. Crunchy. Are they soft? How are they? Crunchy. Who loves chips? Me also. We all love it. Yes. Now don't do anything. I will tell you what to do. Wait. Okay. Look here. Everybody look at me. So this is like that. So if you make mistake, no, it will start doing like this and things will fall out. Okay, so you are not going to touch this. Can you put this in the center? Are you going to put this in the center? Try and put it inside. Come on, start. Big pieces. Yes, little bigger. Darling, bigger. Bigger pieces. Take your time. Don't hurry up. Big pieces. These are very small. Yes, big pieces. They're very small what you're doing. Big pieces.
Yeah, small.
Very good. Okay, now you don't touch, okay, darling? Put from up, later it will fall. Yes, everybody, on the count of 3, you will open it so all your chips will fall. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Wow. Okay, Isha? Yeah, I'll just collect these all. And we're ready to eat the first recipe.
दिविशा ने कैसा बनाया? कम सॉल्ट दिया क्या? मसाले का एकदम टेस्ट परफेक्ट है.
She's good. Yes, but little see there's all lots down mixed. Yes, mix it nicely and slowly, huh? No making it fall. Can we waste chocolate? No. Come on, come on, come on. Mix, 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 mix. Is the taste?
पकड़ लिया साड़ू पकड़ ए रहा नहीं जाता
Okay, what do you think is inside the pot? Sponge cake. Is it hard? Is it soft? Is it spongy? Yes. So you know what you're going to do is everybody with one hand hold your pot and with other hand put your hand inside and start crumbling. Put your this hand inside and make powder like this, like this. Yes. See how she's doing?
Oh, nice. Show.
Crumble. What is this called?
शब्दों का कितना असर होता है when you can't explain what is crumble.
Yes.
खच्चर 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 खच्चर.
Tightly holding the pot. Come on.
शो दीवा दिखा
It's okay. We try. Can we try? Ganache.
नहीं nice.
Okay. Now, because the sponge cakes are little dry, what's the opposite of dry? Gila. But what else can we say? Moist. So to make it moist, she's going to add chocolate ganache. Now, no putting your hands inside. All hands outside. Now, we will never put our hands inside this now. She will put 1 spoon of ganache so it's not dry when we eat it. Okay? How is chocolate ganache made? Good. Okay, yummy.
Do you handle difficult students like this?
No, I think patience. A lot of patience, but I think they enjoy it, so that's fun. And it's
Who would not even decorate her cake?
it's okay. She's enjoyed the sprinklers on the side, so it doesn't matter. It's on the cupcake or it's in the tummy, right? It's the same thing, correct? Listen to me, everybody look here. You will collect everything on one side like this. Okay? And then you drop it inside. Can you drop it inside? Drop like this, drop.
Okay.
No starting, look at me. If you need help, tell me. I will come to help you. But don't. And this what's remaining, you can lick it, eat it, whatever you want to do. And then Isha, please tell them this thing is what you need. No.
Divisha.
And put it from top. See, first collect like this, and then pour it like this. Come on, do. You want to do with me? Open. I open because your hands are clean. Here. This, everything we put inside, we can eat. Can we eat everything inside? Yes. But this plant, we cannot eat. This is only for show. So what we're going to do is, put this inside, put it inside. Yes. Then we're going to take some mangoes and we're going to put it on the sides. I'll show you how. Wait. And we're going to put it all over. Okay?
And then it will look like a mango tree.
Yes, like this.
What I loved is this is not just cooking. They are learning patience, sharing, texture, colors, waiting for instructions, and also taking pride in something they created.
Everybody, what is this? Whipped cream. What is it? So what you're going to do is you're going to hold my hand and you're going to swirl with me. Come on. Slowly, slowly. Huh? No hurrying up. Slowly, slowly. You have to do slowly, slowly. Yes. It's not important to finish all your sprinklers. It's important to make it look nice. Okay? So slowly, slowly decorate. Come on.
You have 10 minutes.
One. Put the gems, put the sticks. Yes, see how she's done? Yes, correct.
Don't eat.
Don't hurry
Decorate.
up.
What's your favorite color?
Every color.
Every color. So your cake will be very colorful.
Today reminded me that summer vacation doesn't always need big plans. Sometimes one table, a few ingredients, a good teacher, some friends are enough to create a memory. Children don't always need to be taught. Sometimes they just need to be allowed to explore.